Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be me taking these twists out of my hair. So if you want to see that, please keep watching. Don't touch my hair. Alright guys, so I did just film, which is why I have the same makeup and hair, makeup and shirt. I did just film my nighttime routine, so if you want to watch that video, please be sure to click this link up here. So today we're going to be taking out a mini twist. It's been a week since I had them in. My daughter's in her walker and busting inside here right now. Okay, so my hair has been in this mini twist for a week and I have enjoyed every moment of it. It got better and better as the days go by. And I'm a little sad to take them out, but it is time for me to take it out so I can wash my scalp. My scalp needs to be washed. So what I did is just add this to my scalp nightly, like I said in my other video. So I just put it in my hair today, so my roots are a little wet, but that's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clip my hair up and start taking these mini twists down. So this is my hair after I took all of my twists out. I absolutely love it. It took me about 10 minutes to take all of my twists out and fluff it. I did not pick it out because I don't have a pick, but my hair is super defined and still moisturized, honestly. So I do highly recommend the products that I used in my twist out. If you want to see that video, be sure to click up here. But yeah, so my twists are out. It's a bomb twist out and I'm super duper excited about it and super pleased. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel on your way out and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.